could stay for that. Yeah, 20 minutes. We're gonna be interviewing Anju Jain from Bakersm. Let's just wait for a few more people to join in, and we'll add Anju ma'am to the live video. We won't be accepting any live requests to go with because we have our interview with Anju ma'am. Yeah, we'll be taking a lot of questions after you know a little about Auntie's journey. Please give your questions and be there till the last question. Yeah. It's going to be fun, I promise. We promise. Okay, we have 7 people now. So let's get started with inviting Anju ma'am. After this quick introduction. Jai Shri Krishna and a warm hello to one and all here at Represents OA Chit Chats with our very sweet and calm mompreneur, Srimati Anju Jain of Bakersm, a wife to a mom to a home baker. Since baking her elder daughter's first birthday eggless cake made her need for eggless cakes made her begin, and Bakersm was born. Personalizing desserts as per the client, more from the heart, Bakersm's cake, pastries, mousse, tarts, breads, puddings and lot more are baked with love. We told you, where there is a whisk, there is a way. Here we have Srimati Anju Jain, the founder of Bakersm, tingling our sweet tooth. Hello, Auntie. Hello. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, beta. How are you?
आंटी अपने कैमरा सेट कर लो, आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा है. हाँ.
Okay?
हाँ.
Yeah.
All right. Shall we start, Auntie?
Yeah, sure. I'm ready.
Okay. The most basic question first. आपको कैसा लग रहा है फिर आगे live with us?
I'm feeling good that I'm watching you two little girls grow, blossom so beautifully, and God bless you in this path of your new journey. I'm sure you'll go places.
Thank you so much. So firstly, like since almost 4 years now, Auntie has been tingling her sweet tooth all this time. If you want chocolate tarts, chocolate cupcakes, anything sweet, Auntie is the one we go to. And honestly, it's the best dessert we've had. So yeah, like we love to
Mridu, beta, it's the audio is not very clear. I'm unable to hear. Can you just repeat?
Okay, Auntie, what we said just now. So it's been 4 years since we've been ordering from you, and I
Yes.
think it's been amazing. If you want chocolate tarts, chocolate cupcakes, or anything, in fact,
Yeah.
we have always come to you first, and then it's just voila, so beautiful.
Love you for that, beta.
We love you for giving us such beautiful and amazing desserts.
Appreciation is always welcome. Who doesn't like appreciation?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's start with our first question.
Yeah.
When you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grew up?
When I was a kid, when I started understanding about career, future, and जब समझ आने लगा, I wanted to be a chartered accountant. because accounts, numbers fascinated me. So that was what I wanted to become.
Wow. So
So,
after
so
marriage, it all changed, and then finally, Didi's first birthday made you realize your passion.
yeah, I mean, after that, I'm basically a foodie. I like to eat. And even during times of when I'm low, the thought of food itself makes me energetic. And
Oh, I
desserts are my and desserts are my weakness.
same.
Desserts are my weakness. So, that's how maybe, experimenting and trying to make it soft and fluffy, and then constant support from my husband, my family, my daughters kept going.
That's nice. That's really nice.
Yes.
Which two organizations or social groups, apart from your own family and work, do you know the most people at and why?
Apart from my family, one group which I know very well is Blue Cross because my kids are animal lovers. So I used to visit them earlier, not now after they have left. And second is, I'm not very known to them, but I like their work. That is Robin Hood Army, because they
Oh,
feed people who are really in need of food, who are hungry. They take efforts. They take I mean, they come to your doorstep to collect the excess food. So I like their gesture. So
okay,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
really nice.
yes,
So actually, you have two daughters, right?
yes.
What are their names?
Saloni is the elder one, and Sachi is the younger one.
Okay, okay. So one of them's married, or both of them are married.
No, the Saloni is married and Sachi is working.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, yeah. Both are working, but Sachi is yet to get married.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
she's too small now.
she's working, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Even the elder one is working.
Right, right. We get it. So, Auntie, tell us your journey from Badger and like how it's been prepared. So, from having a daughter, from being a daughter to being a schoolgirl, then a wife and a mom, and then
Yeah,
making, right?
yeah.
Tell us more about Veganism. Our audience and us want to know a little more about how your journey started and what intrigued you even into baking.
Like I said earlier, Vidhu and Pragya, that it was for my daughter's birthday that I baked an eggless cake because we are Jains, we are vegetarians, so it was a challenge to make an eggless cake. And since then, I've been experimenting into various eggless desserts
Right.
and trying to make them like as soft as the ones with eggs. And then, there was a gap in the market for eggless desserts. And
Yeah.
after my kids left for their further studies, there was nothing much to do. So, with their push, with their motivation from my husband, from my kids, and my friends, it kept going. And
Okay.
then this is how Bakism was born in 2013.
Oh, nice.
and we bake only on made to order basis, so
Correct.
it's generally fresh, filled with love, and we try to be innovative. My team
Yeah,
has been
I
with
know
me.
that. I know that.
It's a very small team what I have. They have been with me since day one. It's a small team, but we do multitasking, and we do customization. So customizing as per the client's requirement is challenging, but they thrive to do it, and I hope.
That's what makes you so amazing. So yeah, but I was saying your chocolate biscuit cake is really good.
Thank you.
Auntie,
Yes, but
regarding your face, can you adjust a little?
yeah, better.
Yeah. I guess this is also better for you now.
Yeah, I can see both of you now. Yes, better.
So now we go with the rapid fire. All too
Okay.
familiar question. about
Yeah.
your life, your favorites, your dreams, and yeah, you know the drill, right?
Sorry?
You know the drill, right? About rapid fire.
Yes, I have seen it. So maybe I'll
Okay.
try.
So the first thought that comes into your mind, you have to बोल देना.
Okay.
What's something you saw recently that made you smile?
Um, during this, we all had this time of uncertainty and unrest because of the lockdown. So it was a small gesture to, distribute homemade food. So smile on that physically handicapped old lady when she had that stomach fill of homemade food. That made me smile.
Oh, okay, that's so sweet. Cute. Nice. What are you known apart from Bakism?
Apart from Bakism, my love for tea. I am a tea lover. Each sip of warm, hot tea makes me refreshed and energetic.
Nice.
So people know me as a tea lover.
Is there any friend who would like to come back?
Sorry,
Is
I
there
didn't
any
get
friend
you.
who would like to
Yeah.
come back?
Come back during my childhood when there were no smartphones, so we had more time for each other. So that time
Right.
definitely I would like to have it back.
That's very nice. Very thoughtful. Okay, so talking about phones, if you had any three apps in your smartphone, like only three, which one
Yeah.
would
The first one will be Pinterest because that inspires me with my baking, with the decor, and with the new recipes. Second one will be, of course, Instagram for the social media for Bakism. And third is WhatsApp to connect with my family, my friends, my clients. Yeah, these three.
okay, that's nice. Lastly, this is not a rapid fire. If you could have any advice, like, what's the best advice you would ever given in your life? You were
Uh,
ever given by somebody to you about anything.
First and foremost, be honest and be hardworking. Keep doing your best. Keep working towards your goal. I'm sure you'll achieve it one day. Be determined. Be honest. I'm sure you'll be there.
That's nice. Okay, one message to all the viewers will be open to all the questions from your side in about 5 to 7 minutes. So shoot your questions right now. Once we're done with our questions. Okay?
Questions, you mean to
From
say
the viewers.
from the viewers? Okay.
Yeah. We expect a few questions from the viewers who are watching. So
Okay.
let's see what they have got for you. Okay. So how had you promoted Bakism in these 7 years?
Pragya and Mridu, it's been participating in a couple of exhibitions and of course sharing it with my, my couple of friends who have been my experimenting punch bags for my recipes, and their constructive feedback has made me improve. Of course, that is one of the, to promote Bakism. And then, of course, social media,
Hmm.
which I've learned in my kids' absence. So that has helped Bakism plenty. I mean,
Yes,
lot of.
I think what I really admire about you is initially when I used to get things from you, you would always give me a set of tasters, and I think it's a lot of courage to have any sort of criticism from complete strangers because I wouldn't care about what you would think. I would just say, नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं है, इसमें नमक ज़्यादा है, ये मीठा बहुत है." So I think that's very admirable, Auntie.
नहीं नहीं, that is you can say I was a little selfish कि चलो अगर अच्छा लगा तो maybe when they require next time they will call from me. So you can call me a little selfish in that.
I was also very excited because I didn't know what tasters mean. जब मैं छोटी थी और मैं लेकर आती थी तो I was like, ओ आंटी ने ऐसे यूं ही दे दिया, she must like me very much, इतने सारे बना
और फ्री का सबको अच्छा लगता है ना. मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है.
सबको
लेडीज में
अच्छा लगता
लेडीज मेंटेलिटी होती है ना, फ्री में मिल गया, डिस्काउंट मिल गया.
है. Right. Right. So we have a lot of questions from our viewers. So this
Yeah.
first one is, one second. Uh, what is your favorite dessert from of Bakeism? Sachi has asked. Sachi,
What if you?
what is your favorite dessert of Bakeism?
My favorite dessert. Everything is favorite. You can't like, it's
If
my
you had to
creation.
live with the rest of your life, which one would you pick?
Um, Maybe Coffee Kisses because that was the first, like, my first Bakism creation. Until date, people like it, they love it, and I never go wrong in that. So maybe Coffee Kisses, yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Auntie, would you be making breads? This question
Yes.
asked by cousin.
Yeah. I've been making them since last maybe 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So
and
how does that turn out to be?
yeah, it's like good, pretty good. My teacher was very good.
Nice. So what was your biggest challenge setting up Bakeism?
Biggest challenge I can say during my kids' absence, when there was a big order, I was like a bundle of nerves because earlier to that it was like one cake or couple of cookies or couple of cupcakes. But then I was like really scared. But my husband was there who pushed me, his kind words like, no, you can do it. And when I completed it, I was like, it gave me confidence that yes, I can also do it. I was ready to
Wow,
dance when I was able to complete it.
that's very nice. Auntie, you have admirers and favorite customers from Bombay. Yeah. They like, well, do you like to open a small outlet in Bombay? I promise I'll be a permanent customer. Sorry.
Yeah, I wish I could do that.
There was also a question if you would expand to more cities other than just Hyderabad.
No, I'm happy with my Hyderabad.
Do you also make exotic fruit cakes? Fruit
Uh,
exotic cake.
yeah, I have made like strawberry cake and then I have made fresh fruit cakes. Since mangoes are in season, so mango and lychee, cherry, yes, I've made
Auntie
them.
makes amazing fresh cream fruit tarts. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a
yes,
brand
yes, yes, yes. You guys are my loyal patrons for that.
Auntie, there's one request from Shilpa Jain. She would
Yeah,
want some endless recipes. And she would love to bake at home. Yeah. So if you could
yeah.
upload the
Yes. I'll
everyone
DM to
wants
her.
to be like you, Auntie, now.
I'll DM it to her. Direct message it to her.
What's your favorite dessert to have with tea? Ashni Jain has asked.
Favorite dessert to have with tea? Yeah, coffee kisses is the favorite. And then cupcakes, yeah, tarts, cookies, my cookies. They go well with hot cup of tea. I think I am the right person to guide for what goes with tea.
We'll have a session with you for that too, exclusively. What can you eat with tea?
Yes.
Then we have Ananya asking, have you tried any fusion dessert?
Yes, I have made gulab jamun cake. That was a fusion dessert.
Mm-hmm.
And then what
And
else?
I cheesecake, pan cheesecake.
And then thandai cheesecake, yes. Pan cheesecake, yes. How can I forget that? They are all my fusion desserts, yes.
What about
And
the madeleines? The orange and
uh, the Madeleines?
chocolate and I think orange madeleines.
No, they are not fusion, Pragya. They are like a French dessert. So I've tried to make it eggless, but I don't think they are fusion.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
we have you ever tried a tea dessert?
Tea, yeah, my son-in-law is a tea lover, so I had made a chai cake for him.
Sorry.
So yeah, and it was okay. And yeah.
I mean, people say your jar cakes are amazing,
Oh, really?
and your pictures are also amazing on Bakerson's site.
Yeah, that's nice of them. They like they love me, so it's their
No, I
um,
personally find your pictures from Bakerson very professional. So do you click them or do you have them clicked?
No, no, no. My kids have been my teachers, so it's
Okay.
always been a learning experience. I have learned how to click pictures. Before she left, she showed me how to click pictures, the camera angle and everything. And after I
Wow.
click it, I send it to them. They tell me
Okay.
the necessary improvements to be made, and then things go online.
That's nice. That's
Yes,
amazing.
yes, yes, yes.
Then we have, what is your advice on a budding food photographer?
Budding
Okay,
food.
I mean, that same thing. Like the same thing you said, yeah.
Yeah, the budding food photographer, you have to be, first of all, a foodie yourself, so that, when you click a picture, it shows in your work. And secondly, mm, try to, accessorize it with the accessories which complements with the picture you're clicking with.
Okay,
Okay, like
nice.
if you're clicking maybe, say coffee cases. So you need to have a hot cup of tea along with that, because they complement with each other. So
Huh,
the person
right.
watching that picture, he will be able to connect with the picture.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Got it. Auntie, could you set your camera angle?
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Auntie, there are a lot of, again, there are a lot of people telling everything sounds delicious and coffee cheesecake, sorry, pan and thandai cheesecake are amazing. Chai also sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, this one nice question. What are your biggest challenges while cooking eggless?
Challenges, the biggest challenge was making eggless macarons because
Mm-hmm.
after,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I must have tried it almost umpteenth number of times. But, it was always, I had to try it again. I had to try it again. Maybe it took me almost 3 years to get the right
Oh, wow.
texture. Yeah.
Wow. 3 years
Yeah.
is a long time.
Yes, yes. But, now somehow able to manage them. Eggless. Yeah.
There's more emphasis on the times when you face a lot of challenges.
Yeah.
Marjorie Karda, I think she asked, what were your biggest challenges or a major failure you and had how to did you deal with it?
Major failure, first of all, I would say is, yeah, at that moment, or maybe for some time, you feel disheartened, you feel dissatisfied, but then you need to learn from that failure and, try to improve upon that and be prepared for the next time so that, you won't repeat that whatever you have done
Hmm.
doesn't come back again. So you need to
That,
learn from your failures and move ahead in life. You
that's
should try to
nice.
overcome. You should try to overcome that. Yeah.
Correct. Okay,
Yeah.
Andy, now that we have a lot of questions, but we won't be
Yeah.
able to attend that because we're time constrained. There's only
Yeah.
one last question for you. Is
Yeah.
how would you value OA, Pooja the youth energy, store on social media? Art store.
How would I, sorry?
Value Urja the youth energy, store on social media.
Value, it's priceless, it's invaluable. It's lot of efforts because the time and energy and the organization you kids have been going through. Maybe I have been like, interacting with you since last 1 week. And you have
Yeah.
been very punctual, I should say, and like, very polite. And in your way of working, you are very organized. So you have a long way to go. So I
Thank
can
you.
say, I can only say in 2 words, it's priceless, it's invaluable.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you so much for your time. So
And
this was Anju Jain.
yeah,
Sorry,
and
sorry.
I just want to wind off by saying that I just want to thank my parents, my husband, my kids, and my friends, and of course my precious clients, because of whom Bekism is what is today. So just a
Correct.
message for them: be safe, be careful, be happy, be cheerful. God bless.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Srimati Anju Jain, for being there with us in this live and such a wonderful speaker and answering all the questions everybody has asked. And we would love to take an interview of you once again with knowing tea को कैसे किसी भी चीज के साथ खा सकते हैं.
And thank you for inviting me, Mridhu and
Thank you so
Pragya.
much.
Thank you for inviting.
Thank you so much,
Thank,
Anji.
thank
Thank
you,
you.
beta. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Same to you. Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.